begin by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. You're gonna need 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. Now we're gonna add minced garlic, which would be about 2 cloves. Now we'll add 1/4 of a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And we're also gonna add salt, chili flakes, and Italian seasoning, which includes thyme, oregano, and basil. Now we'll add 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Now for the wet ingredients. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of milk. We'll add 1 egg, whisked, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil, preferably vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna mix this up. Let's go into time-lapse mode. Now we're gonna make the meatballs. They should be about 1 to 1.5 inches in size. I'm gonna use this water to help me so that my hands don't stick to the meatballs. So it's like this. And then I'll take a little bit of meat and just roll it up into a nice little ball, like this. So I have a pre-oiled pan right here that I'm gonna use to cook my meatballs. This recipe should make about 18 to 20 meatballs. The amount may vary, but this is approximately how many you'll make. And this should be enough for about 4 to 5 people. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven. This will cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, so I will be right back. So I am back after about 25 minutes, and it doesn't look like it's ready quite yet, so I'll give it another 5 minutes and we'll check back then. So it's been about a half hour and I'm ready to take it out, so here we go. So now I have pasta and tomato sauce ready to go. So I'm gonna put on the meatballs. So 1, 2, and number 3. And I'm gonna take my spoon and add some tomato sauce on top. A little more. And I'll add a couple fresh leaves of basil. Feel free to add a little bit of Parmesan right on top.